Hello, my name is Liliana Rojas Jimenez, and this is my presentation in a restaurant. May I take your order? Yes, I'd like a hamburger and a large order of French fries, please. All right, and would you like salad? Or yes, I have a mixed green salad. Okay, what kind of dressing would you like? We have vinaigrette, Italian, and French. Italian, please. And would you like anything to drink? Yes, I like a large soda, please. Second, good afternoon. May I take the orders? Good afternoon. Sure, my love. Yes, I like a steak and a salad. All right. Would you like something to drink? Yes, I'll ask for an orange juice. I like some chops with French fries. And what will you order to drink? Honey, I will order a lemonade for you. It's okay, darling. Could you also bring us a red wine? Your order will be ready in a moment. Thanks. Bye.